Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. Today is day 3 of my acrylic pour swipe series and I'm going to be using up these leftover metallic paints. I wanted a contrasting colour to go with them, so I've made up this Prussian Phthalo Blue. I was tossing up between black and Payne's Grey and decided, no, let's put some blue. This dries very dark, but I'm hoping against the white it's going to look quite stunning. So I'll quickly go through the colours. We've got champagne gold, antique bronze, bronze, 24 karat gold, iridescent white, silver, pewter and Prussian Phthalo Blue. So let's get started. I've been pretty excited about this one. Once I decided to go with the Phthalo Blue, I think this is going to look really cool. Now, one thing I might do is I had quite the reaction with my 24 karat gold on the last pour, and I don't want it to take over like that, so I think what I will do is just dot a little bit of that around at the end. I've got the pewter here. It's a pretty colour. It's got a bit of that blue in it. And the antique bronze. Some silver, and the white, now we're just running out of the colours, so I'll fast forward this bit. But this is what we wanted, to run out of these colours. Okay, there's a good amount of paint there, but now I've got the 24 karat gold and I'm just going to put some small dots. I've still got some left. What I might end up doing is tipping all those paints into one and making, or into 2 different colours, and making up some colours for next time. Alright, let's swipe. Now I got so excited about this I hadn't decided what colour to swipe with. Black or white? I think I'm going to go white. Now I think that I want to take these colours through there and maybe those through there. Let's see how that one goes first. I think we'll take it on the edge of the gold. I'm going to do a big one. Big palette knife. I have noticed that when I do canvases of this size, I always love the result. So let's hope this happens again. Well, that's pretty. And it kind of makes me want to use the big one again. All right, big one again. And then what I think I'll do, maybe just play around a little. Nothing's coming out. All right. Go the small one. Got less of the blue than I expected. It's mostly the metallics. I like that bit of blue through there. And there's a bit coming through here. I've got the gold doing some weird stuff here. I could swipe that through there. That might be interesting actually. And I might get rid of that gold that's doing some weird stuff there. All right, this is the first time I think I've ever crossed through a swipe. So, first time for everything. See, the gold's doing some weird stuff. So I don't know whether it's just because of the type of metallic it is. Just because I'm not that keen on those big blocky bits. I do like the gold, but I'm going to leave those ones. I've got like a caterpillar, I think they call that one. All right, let's get ready to tilt. I've got a lot of paint on there. I expect that this is going to tilt out fairly well though. All right, here we go. Nice. I'm just going to see if I can touch up these edges. So there's a lot of touch-ups to do because I didn't want to lose a lot of it. So it looks like I have to really be careful with that gold. Because it's making some strange effects. Right, I'm going to have to make up something for the side here. Because there's not enough paint, not enough of the right colour paint. Just tipped a bit off. We've got the lots of colour runs down the side now though. It's the only problem with doing that after. So the pewter seemed to have a similar effect as the gold did. I love the shading here. Just going to add a little bit of phthalo blue through the Prussian Phthalo Blue through here. And I think a bit through here as well. Just adding a little bit of depth. It's kind of sinking though, isn't it? Alright, I'm going to clean up and then I'll bring you in for the wet result. Okay, here is the wet result. And we've got some really nice lacing through here. Love it. And even in the corner there. The gold has again spread into some, I don't mind it here, but over here I'm not so sure. And then some pretty lacing through here. Yeah, this is quite interesting. Try not to get too close because it doesn't it's not sharp. This is interesting here. So I'll bring it back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result. And I am not disappointed with this one. It's something about this size canvas always works really well. I don't know if it's the amount of paint that I am able to put on it so that when I tilt it, it tilts really well. I'm not sure. But the lacing in this, and that's really pretty. And it's so unusual through here. I've got the blue poking through here. Let me show you that shine. And look at that. Extreme sheen. Yeah. But that blue there, I have to put it on this angle so that you can see it. It's quite pretty. And you've got a tiny hint of the blue up here. And another tiny hint of the blue down here through the lacing. And I think that just balances it really well. The lacing through here, through the gold, is quite fine, and then it's like it starts small and slowly gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So I actually like this piece of the gold. It's got some real interest. But the gold up here is probably my least favorite part. Just looking at the shine, the way the lacing shines or doesn't shine. It's interesting. Yeah, so I like it this way. I have looked at it a few different ways, but it just doesn't look quite right. That way's all right as well. But I think it's definitely a portrait style piece. So yeah, that's it for that one. I hope you enjoyed that. If you liked it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. That really helps me out. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.